Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm sharing this stuffed bell peppers with ground beef in it. So let's go watch what we're gonna put and how we're gonna do this process. It's an easy process. We're gonna do it for 30 to 40 minutes and we're gonna have a healthy, clean and eatable recipe which is good for you and for me. So here we have ground beef. This is half pound of ground beef. This is spring onion. We're gonna use the spring onion. Here I have garlic and ginger, freshly chopped. These are the green chilies. This is black pepper. This is red chili powder. And this is coriander seeds. And these are the bell peppers. We're gonna use it. So first thing guys, we're gonna chop our bell peppers right in the middle. And then we're gonna mix the ground beef with these spice and this onion, and then we're gonna stuff these bell peppers with this ground beef and all the ingredients inside of the ground beef. So we have emptied out the seeds from the bell peppers, and now we're gonna season our ground beef. First thing first, we're gonna put the spring onion, the chopped green onion, right in here. It's gonna go all in here. Now I'm adding the cilantro seeds, or you can say the coriander seeds. Some black pepper, green chilies, roughly chopped, and ginger and garlic, roughly chopped. Here I'm adding some red chili powder just to give it a little bit nice hot kick to it. And now we're gonna add just table salt in there. So this is half pound of ground beef. I'm adding at least 1 tablespoon of salt in there. So here guys, we're gonna use our hand. Trust me, it's a lot easier to use your bare hand. And we're gonna just mix everything up. Alright guys, so as you can see, the ground beef is ready. We're gonna just put some olive oil right on top, just like that. And now we're gonna just fill up our bell peppers. So this is a bell pepper. We're gonna take a chunk of ground beef with all the seasoning, and we're gonna just stuff it just like that. So here I'm not using any cheese or any rice for the recipe. I just want to make it healthy, and that's how it's gonna be. We're gonna take a little bit more. Just want to make sure it's filled all the way. So that's how it's gonna look. So this is all raw ground beef with all the seasonings, with all the fresh vegetables, and we're gonna stuff all of these guys now. Friends, these are all the bell peppers. They are stuffed with the raw ground beef. Now we're gonna place them in a baking tray, just right there. And we're gonna cover with the top, and we're gonna brush them with some olive oil in here. So this is bell pepper number 1. We're gonna take some olive oil, we're gonna put it on top, and we're gonna brush it just like that. Before putting in a baking tray, we're gonna make sure we brush the baking tray with some olive oil in the bottom, just like that. So this has been oiled and brushed. Now we're gonna just place it right in there. So here guys, this is all done. I'm adding just tomatoes right there. So it's gonna keep the base moist. I mean, I could have added gravy in there, but the tomatoes, the fresh vegetables, the healthy vegetables, they're gonna keep it moist. After adding the tomatoes, I'm gonna still brush these guys with some olive oil right on top. So now guys, I'm gonna just cover with the lid, and the lid is from foil. So I'm gonna cover it with the lid. Just like that. So these are the peppers, stuffed peppers. We're gonna cover it with the foil. We have to make sure all the sides are locked. After cooking it for 20 minutes, we're gonna remove the foil cover. So for first 20 minutes, I want this foil cover to be on top. So all the beef gets cooked with the peppers. So now we're gonna bake these guys for at least 30 minutes. So for first 20 minutes, I'm gonna cook these guys with the lid on top from the foil. And after 20 minutes, we're gonna remove the foil and we're gonna cook it just like that. So let's go put this guy in the oven for 20 minutes now. So guys, it's been more than 20 minutes. Let's check on our bell peppers. So we're gonna remove the lid, the foil lid from top, and this is how it's looking now. So this is beautifully done. Wow, the smell is amazing. Now you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna just cook it for next 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, it's been 40 minutes of total time. Yum yum, it looks done. Oh, wow. Wow, it's all roasted. Dish this out right here. As you guys see, this is perfectly baked bell peppers, stuffed bell peppers. And this is perfectly done. The meat is soft and the juicy. I could have dried the sauce, but I want to keep it juicy. Alright, so we're gonna dish out the biggest bell pepper ever. We're gonna put it right here with some tomato. We're gonna take some more tomatoes and put out with the dish. Guys, this is beautifully done. I'm so excited about this recipe. So let's go dive into this recipe. This is so juicy. This is wonderful. Delicious. You can check all the ground beef is cooked. perfectly fine. So this is guys by far the easy, simple, healthy stuffed bell pepper recipe you can find anywhere. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, let me enjoy these peppers and the ground beef.